No one wants to go through life with a visibly missing tooth. It's not just that it looks unappealing, it can also make it harder to eat and speak properly, and may lead to further oral problems. Fortunately, modern dentistry offers 3 options for replacing a tooth: partial dentures, bridge work, and dental implants. The most basic system of tooth replacement is the removable partial denture. It's also the least expensive method. However, it comes with some real disadvantages. A partial denture usually hooks onto existing natural teeth, which can become loosened by the added stress over time. Plus, dentures don't always look or feel natural. Most people find that non-removable tooth replacements are a better choice. Here, there are 2 options: traditional bridge work and state-of-the-art dental implants. What's the difference? Let's take a look. Dental bridge work consists of a series of artificial tooth crowns joined together as one piece. The crown in the center replaces the missing tooth. The crowns on either end fit over the natural teeth on each side of the gap. They provide a firm support for the whole bridge. Bridge work is a natural-looking method of tooth replacement that can last for years, but it too has some disadvantages. For one thing, potentially healthy teeth on either side of the gap must be ground down to fit inside the crowns of the bridge work. The extra stresses placed on these support teeth can cause them to weaken over time. They also have an increased chance of developing tooth decay, root canal problems, or gum disease. Getting bridge work isn't cheap either, and 10 years is considered a good lifespan for a dental bridge. But there's a longer-lasting alternative: the dental implant. Today's gold standard for tooth replacement, the dental implant doesn't rely on other teeth for support. Instead, it's inserted directly into the jawbone in a minor surgical procedure. The titanium implant becomes fused with the bone itself, providing a solid support for a natural-looking crown. So there's no need for any dental work on nearby healthy teeth. Dental implants look and feel just like your own teeth. The procedure has a success rate of around 95%, and with proper care, they can often last the rest of your life. It's true that dental implants usually cost more than the alternatives at first, but over time, they often prove to be the most cost-effective option. So if a missing tooth is getting you down, don't wait another day. Talk to your dentist about which tooth replacement option is best for you.